Sai Teja has come. So any other point you have to make regarding these classes, Sai Teja and Salil?
So I have no point, sir. Is there a notification from the from the Manipal University as of what's going to happen in the future?
You have got some notification?
No, sir. I was asking you. We don't have anything much. All we are getting is like internship offers and all that. Application for internships and all that.
You have got that.
Sir, that's all we are getting right now.
Okay. But no, you haven't got any notification regarding future plans.
No, sir. As of not yet. As of now, not yet.
I heard that students have got received some form asking w-
So
when
that
they
was
are
for
when they
DE.
are interested
Uh,
for exams,
so
something
that
like
was
that.
for like remake exams and change of DE if they wish to change for the next
Not
semester.
for exams. So I heard that students have been asked through some forms that when do they want their exams to be conducted, whether in July or August or whatever. I don't know, like I'm not sure. I just heard a rumor. I'm just asking, uh, nothing formal about this discussion. I'm just asking you if you have received anything.
No, sir, all we are getting is like whether you like to apply for this company's internship or for the aptitude test they take on Saturdays
Okay, okay. So
and
I
a
don't,
couple of
I
feedback
don't,
forms.
rather I don't have too many strong like any notification. We only have rumors only that we may have to start, not students, only faculty members may start in June. From June, we may have to be to attend university campus, but students probably according to UGC guidelines, the semesters will be starting from August, I believe. UGC have uh, sent some notification, some guideline that the running semesters have to start from August, 1st August, and new admission semesters, first year semesters, have to start from September, 1st September, as of now.
So that was like announced during the last lockdown only.
Sorry.
So when lockdown 3 started, 3.0,
Mhm.
I think it was announced at that time only.
Yeah, but they have not changed that notification yet. UGC has published the notification and they are stick they are stuck on that. And I believe that is the present scenario. Till now, like we have this update only that we may have to start the semester from August, 1st August, and that is how it happens. Like in earlier years also, we have been starting our semester from 1st August only, maybe from 27th or 28th July, but effectively it starts from 1st
First
August only.
August. Yeah.
So that is the plan. But to do that, the one thing only pending is the exams.
Yes,
So
sir.
this semester exams have not yet been conducted and no results have been uh, out. So that has to be planned, how we have to go about. So I don't know like what have been decided, but there are many options they are working on. So what finally they decide, that will depend on the final decision also. Still, lockdown is continuing and we don't know the status about that. So probably that will depend, final decision will depend only when lockdown is open. Then
Okay.
only we can have a strict strategy. Okay. Before that, whatever strategies we are forming, they are volatile. They are not very uh, valid strategies that may be followed or not. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
should we start? So I don't know, like
So only there
others.
are two more
Yes.
people in the class.
Hmm. Yes, your question.
No, so there are like only two more people in the class apart
Yeah.
from me.
So probably they will come. So we'll just start and we will just see first the version space algorithm. So what is that problem? So this is the version space problem. Okay. Now for version space algorithm, so this is our problem, version space. Everybody is able to uh, view these screens. No, I have not shared
No, so
yet.
you haven't shared.
Okay. So now are you able to see the screens?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is the problem. We have these examples and we have to identify version space. So I told you that version space is can be specified by giving a general hypothesis, most general hypothesis, and most specific hypothesis. So to start with, general hypothesis will be question mark, question mark, question mark. So how many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4 fields are there. So we will have 4 question marks for each of these fields, and a specific field will be 0, or you may say is 5, whatever. 5 is also workable, either 0 or 5 means the same thing. So that is the most general and most specific hypothesis to start with. Now with first example, which is no, so that is negative example. That means we do not want to include any of this item into our version space. So whenever we want to have, so according to this specification, general and specific, every hypothesis is included in this. Okay. But we do not want such cases to be included in our hypothesis. Okay. So no such case should be verified by the set of hypotheses which we have. So how can we do that? So second step is that we reduce the scope of general hypothesis. So scope of general hypothesis is everything. It includes everything. Now we want to exclude these things. Okay, this type of example. We want to exclude this type of example. So how can we do? We can have general hypothesis to have uh, we don't want Sunny. So except Sunny, we can have everything else, right? So one thing is we can have anything except Sunny. So that may be overcast. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Then can be rain. Rain. Mark, question mark, question mark. They can be. That's it. We don't want sunny to be there in the most general hypothesis. Then for second one, we want to exclude hot. So there may be mild and cold will be allowed. So we can have question mark, mild, question mark, and then cool, question mark, cool, question mark, question mark. Then similarly on the basis of high, we can allow only normal. High, normal, low. Low, suppose we have low also, one of the field for humidity, which is not happening in any of these examples. So we may have question mark, high, question mark, and we may have question mark, low, question. And then with respect to wind, weak is not allowed. So high is not allowed, normal is allowed. So we don't want to have high here, we want to have normal. So are you understanding the thing that we want to exclude this one, this type of any example? We don't want to include only such example, this example. So to exclude only this example and include everything else, we want to include everything else except this example. That's what I want to say. So except this example, I want to include everything else. So how can I do? So except from sunny, I will include both of the values, overcast and rain, and all other values for all other fields, but sunny will not be there. Okay, so if you try to match this example with any of these things, so we have still remaining one more thing for with respect to wind. So with respect to wind, we do not want to allow weak, or we only want to allow strong. So strong will be there. Now you can see that everything else except this example will be included, will be verified by this hypothesis or these hypotheses. Okay, so most general hypothesis includes these hypotheses, and we cannot satisfy this example by any of these hypotheses. Okay, either due to this field it will not be allowed, either due to this field it will not be allowed, either due to this field it will not be allowed, or either this field will not be allowed. And specific will still be the same.
Sir, I just got a message ki like the students like they might join late because they are having a CoCubes thing going on.
Okay, so
it was from 10 to 3 the whole day in the morning, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay.
So when they actually performed the whole thing.
What is that?
So CoCubes assessment, it's a platform where they like help with the job applications and all that.
Okay,
Resumes and all that.
Okay. So should we postpone it for tomorrow? Tomorrow, do you have any activity pending, planned?
Sir, there are a couple of quizzes they're going to take, and there's no fixed time for that.
Okay. So how much time they believe they can come back? They can join?
So
today?
that I have no clue. So that I have no clue because it's from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
3 is already done.
So 3 is already done. That's why. So when exactly are they going to join? If they are going to join, that's the question.
Okay. So what do you suggest? Should we wait or should we
So
continue?
either we can wait or we'll continue. We can carry this discussion directly on Friday.
No, Friday we will take some other thing, no? Then
So
Friday
then,
we can take
so
extra
then,
one. But what actually I will upload this session on our website also. So the recording is going on. So whatever we are discussing,
so Rocky,
that
you
may
can
be
like continue with the session, and then I'll write on the group key. Today's session has been recorded and uploaded on
daily.
EduInfo.
I just inform you and you inform everybody that daily sessions have been recorded and uploaded on EduNext.
Yes, sir.
So if they want to access on any previous session also, they can go on the EduNext site portal and access any of the online classes we have conducted,
Okay, sir.
any one of them. Okay. So we'll continue with this, and if they join, they can join in between. Just inform them they can join while this session is going on, and later on they can access the recorded session from EduNext.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll continue with this. So you are able to understand what do we mean by general and specific, and how
Yes, sir.
we are uh, making this. So this is the example. We are generalizing. You're getting me? So we have just changed our general and we reduce the scope and we try to make it as general as possible on, by excluding only this example. Okay, तो हम खाली एक example exclude करना चाहते हैं और सब तरह के example को हम include करना चाह रहे हैं. Okay, taking the second example, sunny, hot, high, strong. Okay, so here we are making it more, we are allowing weak and strong both of them. Okay, wind case we are allowing weak, and so what we do, this general will get changed. Can you tell me what would be the change now? What would be the change? We want to exclude now this one also. So what would be the change?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
There was some problem, like I got disconnected.
अच्छा हाँ सर वो I thought there was problem in the connection at my end. I had to shut down the my own app.
Okay. So, have you gone understood the point which I just
Yes sir.
in version space? So, should we go
Yes
ahead
sir.
or should
Yes
we
sir.
wait? Like I had planned for this thing, but there are very few attendees. Should we go ahead or should we wait? Why? Where has others gone? There were 4 students initially. They have also gone. कौन थे? Aniket? Aniket, are you there? I don't know Aniket is there or not. So I believe we will do it next time then on Friday. We
Okay,
will
sir.
continue with the other part of today's lecture, because just continuing for one student is not. So I believe they will be there on Friday. Everybody will be there. What do you think?
So I think they'll be there until there's something more important comes up.
So we will do, I just wanted to discuss the back propagation algorithm of neural network, and then we will switch over to next topic, that is genetic algorithm on Monday. Okay. So next time you just go through that part, back propagation algorithm. Try to understand yourself what do we mean by back propagation algorithm of neural networks, artificial neural network, and then I will go through my presentation so that you are in better position to understand it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll stop here because others are not there. Thank you.